पुलिस कर्मियों को ललकार रही हैं, धमका रही हैं, और वो कहीं पर भी उनको शिकायत करती नहीं नजर आ रही हैं कि उनके साथ कुछ गलत हुआ। वो कहीं पर विभव कुमार जी पर इशारा करती हुई नजर नहीं आ रही हैं, कहती हुई कि इन्होंने मुझ पे हमला किया, बल्कि वो विभव कुमार जी के लिए अपशब्दों का प्रयोग कर रही हैं, ऊंची आवाज में कर रही हैं। तो कल जो वीडियो सामने आया उसने पूरे देश के सामने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के आरोपों का पर्दाफाश कर दिया। आज एक दूसरा वीडियो हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं। ये सीएम आवास के गेट के सीसीटीवी की फुटेज का वीडियो है। ये भी स्वाति मालीवाल जी के झूठ को सामने रख देता है, क्योंकि अगर आप सबने ये एफआईआर देखी है जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने फाइल करी है, उसमें वो ये कहती हैं कि मुझ पर इतना हमला हुआ कि मैं चल नहीं पा रही थी, कि मैं बेहोशी की हालत में थी, कि मैं बैठ गई, कि मैं लंगड़ा लंगड़ा के चल रही थी, मैं दर्द से कराह रही थी। ये सब स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने अपनी शिकायत में लिखा। लेकिन सीएम रेजिडेंस का गेट का सीसीटीवी का फुटेज ये साफ साफ दिखाता है कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी आराम से, तेज स्पीड से, बिना किसी परेशानी के चल के हाई स्पीड पर बाहर जा रही हैं। बाहर जाके भी वो पुलिस की एक महिला कर्मी को धक्का देती हैं, पुलिस वालों को हड़का रही हैं, अपनी उंगली दिखा रही हैं, ये दिख रहा है कि उन्हें डांट रही हैं। कहीं पर भी स्वाति मालीवाल जी के कपड़े नहीं फटे हुए, कहीं पर भी उनको सिर पर चोट नहीं लगी हुई है। दूर दूर तक वो लंगड़ा कर नहीं चल रही हैं, वो दर्द में करहा कर नहीं चल रही हैं। ये वीडियो मैं चाहूंगी कि स्क्रीन पर दिखाया जाए।
Akanksha and Priyank on the broadcast. Let's go back to Tetri. Priyank is saying that it looks like cops have some lead on the whereabouts of Bibhav Kumar, and they are at the Chief Minister's residence right now. Let me in fact go across to Priyank. Priyank, is that what the sources are telling us, that Bibhav Kumar could be inside the Chief Minister's residence? Is that why the Delhi cops are there?
Yes, Swati, this is what the tip-off has been, but it is a matter to be checked on the situation on the ground because the senior officials have reached there. What we have got to know that Bibhav Kumar, once he was spotted in Punjab with the Delhi Chief Minister. Since then, he is not being seen there because last he was seen publicly with Arvind Kejriwal in Lucknow, and since the time our teams have confronted Bibhav Kumar, he is not traceable for the media, obviously. Yesterday also he was trying to talk to a few of the people who are close to him in the media, and he was saying that I have saved Netaji. So these were the words of Bibhav Kumar while he was talking to other people. And if this could not have happened, the allegation would have gone on Arvind Kejriwal. So it was quite clear that he is trying to portray his side of the picture. But the fact of the matter is that he is an accused before the law. There is a statement which has already been given before the Metropolitan Magistrate under CRPC section 164. The evidence of the MLC report which clearly shows the bruises, and the statement which has been given by Swati Maliwal in that particular statement which has been given by her, it is quite clear that Bibhav Kumar's allegation against him is very important. If you may allow me, Swati, we can go through that particular content which is written in this particular MLC copy, and you can also to go through it. It's quite clearly mentioned that because of the assault from Bibhav Kumar, Swati Maliwal was hurt. Then you have the pictures of Swati Maliwal and the mentioning which has been done by the doctors from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which is the premier
broadcast. Mohit, आम आदमी पार्टी की एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी इस वक्त हो रही है जिसमें एक और वीडियो का जिक्र किया जा रहा है। आतिशी कह रही हैं कि उसमें बड़े आराम से मुख्यमंत्री के आवास के बाहर जाती हुई दिखाई दे रही हैं स्वाति मालीवाल, लेकिन उनकी एमएलसी रिपोर्ट कहती है कि उनके शरीर पर चोट के निशान हैं। इस बीच दिल्ली पुलिस पहुंच जाती है मुख्यमंत्री के आवास।
आज बिल्कुल यही बड़ा सवाल है और इसी को कल देखिए, जब से वीडियो सामने आया है तब से आम आदमी पार्टी के जो नेता हैं या उनके जो प्रवक्ता हैं वो लगातार सवाल खड़े कर रहे हैं आतिशी के ऊपर, और ये लगातार बोला जा रहा है। देखिए यहाँ पे कुछ हलचल हुई है, एकदम एक्शन हुआ है और उम्मीद की जा रही है या शंका जताई जा रही है कि जो आला अधिकारी अंदर आए थे वो अब बाहर निकले हैं, और जो विभव कुमार के अंदर होने की आशंका थी शायद उनके साथ तो बाहर नहीं निकले हैं। तो इस बात की जो पुष्टि है वो अभी हम नहीं कर पा रहे, लेकिन दूसरे गेट से जो है दिल्ली पुलिस, इस गेट से दिल्ली पुलिस बाहर।
There was some movement over here, but Delhi police team has just left from the back gate of Arvind Kejriwal. There was the vehicle of Delhi police who just left. There was some kind of movement. Senior officials who came, they came from this back gate. Balkishan ji, show this back gate. This is the back gate from where the Delhi police team had left. They came over here. There is no clarity so as to what has happened, who has left, who was there inside the car. But yes, important over here is that the senior police officials who had come minutes back at Chief Minister's residence, they have left a while back from now. No clarity because the windows were covered, cars were covered, and there was no word, no official statement, no official word from the cops as well. They left hastily, they left quickly. But yes, what sources are telling that there is a probability that somebody was sitting inside the car apart from the police officials. There you see there is some movement. Again there is some movement. You see again here the vehicles are continuously leaving. There goes Raghav Chadha. That was Raghav Chadha. Raghav Chadha leaving from Chief Minister's residence. Raghav Chadha just left. The meeting continued for more than 60 minutes, and that was Raghav Chadha on your frame. Raghav Chadha just left from Chief Minister's residence. But yes, the events that are unfolding are very, very crucial. As of now, there is no clarity from Delhi police so as to who was there inside the car. Clearly showing you the visuals what is happening over here. That was gate number 2. That was gate number 1. I beg your pardon. This is gate number 2. The back gate from where Delhi police team left from this particular gate. 2 senior officials who was inside, no clarity as of now. As soon as Delhi police officials left, Raghav Chadha left from that gate. Let me tell you, Raghav Chadha had come over here minutes before, and now it seems like the another team, show their visuals, the another team that had also come, who accompanied the Delhi police officials, another team of the officers, they are also leaving from this particular area. And this is certainly a very, very important development because you see that there is no clarity so as to who went, what happened, and who has left from there. But there you see the Delhi police team has certainly left. They were here for minutes. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, is still inside. Raghav Chadha was here, waited for 1 hour, met Arvind Kejriwal, and then left. And then who left from this gate along with Delhi police remains the big question as of now, because you see FSL team, Delhi police, and of course Swati Maliwal had yesterday reached over here to recreate the scene. Keep on showing the visuals. One more team over here. You can see one more vehicle of Delhi police is coming over here. So there is a lot of movement going on outside Chief Minister's residence because this was the crime spot on 13th of May. The incident unfolded here only at 9 a.m. when Swati Maliwal had reached Delhi Chief Minister's residence and then left around 9:40. Now the big question over here is that Delhi police came over here because there was a tip-off that there is a probability that Bibhav Kumar could be inside Chief Minister's residence. Showing you the visuals from gate number 1. My VJ will show you the visuals from gate number 1. This is the gate number 1. High security deployment, CRPF personnel along with Delhi police, along with Delhi Chief Minister's security, all are deployed over here. Minutes back from now, Raghav Chadha left, number 1. Minutes back from now, number 2. It was the team of Delhi police who left without giving a clarity so as to who was inside. There's no clarity who was inside. Was there someone inside or not? We'll keep on showing the visuals that what is happening inside the Chief Minister's residence, because digital evidence was collected yesterday. Scene was recreated yesterday. Here you see, again keep on showing the visuals. Team of Delhi police is coming on and on over here. They have come over here because matter is under investigation. FIR has been filed. Statements have been taken. And what we are being also told is that, the statements of all those people, family members, staff members, security officials will also be taken who were present inside at that point of time when the incident took place. But now the big question over here is that when Vibhav Kumar, what action will be taken against him, because he has also filed a complaint against Swati Maliwal at the Delhi police. Let me show you this, the visual. We'll keep on showing the visuals because Times Now has been leading the coverage as far as Sheesh Mahal assault gate is concerned.